Fokusera lite. Yeah. Hi everyone, I'm Ludovic, and here is Ricardo, and here is Lukas. Very important to remember their name to understand what is going on in this presentation. Oh yeah, and these are our face 1 hour ago, so there is a reason for that. Okay, the two challenges that we try to address in this project are one related to the data collection and data quality. We want more data, and we want data aggregated by months and by districts. And the second challenge we try to address is the stigmatization problem. So someone doesn't take his drug because of stigmatization, is ashamed about talking about what happened to him. So we try to address that as well. And the solution we find is building a reward system, an incentive system to empower local communities. So the vision, the pillar of the approach is locals know better. And you will see what we mean. So I really ask you to focus on these 6 elements of our solution, otherwise you will be lost afterwards. So the first one is the local partner. So in our example, it will be Lukas. Local partner is a local partner of the project, of the pilot project that we are building, and health provider. And the second one is me. I have the HIV, but I take my drugs, so I don't have more problem about that. And the third actor is Ricardo. He has HIV but doesn't take his drug. And the 3 other elements, our reward system, which is mainly a network, a database, and another database which contains the test results. When someone is having a test, all the results goes in that database. And the last element is the web application we built for the project. So how these elements interact. Here are the 3 actors, Ricardo, me, and Lukas. The goal of the interaction is to bring Ricardo, the red man, to Lukas, to the medical center. I know Lukas, who works at the medical center, and he tells me about this project. So he brings me to the medical center, and I will follow a training on the web application. The training allows me to enter in the reward system. What is my task? My task, now that I'm trained, is to find Ricardo and to sympathize with him, because I also have HIV. I want to bring him to the health facility, and the pillar is really well placed. And Ricardo and I, we will go to the medical facility, and Ricardo will have his test. Once he has his test, we both check in the web application. We do a double check-in. The double check-in triggers the data flow, so the data of the test goes in the blue database. It also triggers the reward flow. It means that in the database, we will be rewarded by this action. Let's talk about the web application. The web application does does 3 things. So the education, I was educated through this application. It provides a marketplace where we all can spend our points that we have earned through this reward system. What is in the marketplace can be discussed later. And it allows us to do the double check-in. Here is a mock-up about the web application that we built, but we don't really have time to go through that. Yes. And here are the phases of the project, how we see it long-term. So the phase that I just talked about is 2019, is the pilot. And I will go quickly to that. What happens if the project grows? If we have more than 2 partners, then the database grows and become a liability because it is storing value. So it could be the target of some hacking. So the solution we propose is to build a blockchain system around that to secure the database. And that's it.
Any questions from the judge, or is it that clear? I can try to reply.
Yeah.
Repeat the question and answer it. So the question is how they do find me and how they bring me to the health facility. The thing is, probably if someone made the first test, so this is in the hypothesis of someone already made the first test and then never came back to the health facility because